This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Sorkar Jala Lingba Uba Preston Tensong Usambut Menteri Rangba Ubadikmi Ikatanat PWD Roads Hakan no Paisngi Jonga Arpolai Trek Jellio Arja Arpusan Kala Lom Yakajing Alang Barki Officer Kan National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL Ki Officer Katanat Halor Kajing Suki Ban Pyndep Yaka Surok Shillong-Dawki Haborok Santali Ki Package Ulaong baka Sorkar kala Bthah yaka NHIDCL ban Kloi na malabo ban Pyndep yaka House Nam Araja Arpunriu Nalor kini ubak Preston ula Pyndep balai kran halor kijing kibe kenduk kum ki kam jaka hakabe day bat kijing tray yaka Western Bypass. Shushu uli thu bagi Deputy Commissioner na ki district beper kum na Riboy District na East Khas Hills District na West Jant Hills District bana East Jant Hills District shen kin Sdang no yaka jing ya penbet bat ke NHIDCL halor ke jing sor jamin yaka high speed corridor na yam shadu silchar. Ulaong ru bagajik penkre yaka Surok Tura bypass kalaya chakmat.
The progress of work produced Shillong-Dawki road, all the packages, and right now instruction has been given to NHIDCL to speed up the work, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete it maybe as indicated in the contract order by the NHIDCL. So I've seen the work is in progress well. Of course, we do have problem because of this rain, but I'm very sure they'll be able to reach the target as already stipulated in the work order. That is point number one. Then number two, I also did the review meeting relating to the progress of Western Bypass. Again, we have little challenges with this problem of land. Land means the problem is about, sometimes some people, they claim that the land belongs to me, I did not get the payment, this, that. A lot of things happening like that. So I've given direction to all the district collector to resolve this issue and make sure that the progress of work does not at all affect, and these people, though they claim, until they have the proper document, they cannot just blindly claim like that. So we have taken a decision today, and I've instructed to all the deputy collectors to do the needful and make sure that the progress of work is fully in good pace as we already expected, and I'm very sure we'll be able again to complete on time. And the next one is we had again the review meeting relating to the survey of the speed corridor starting from Barapani, starting from Umyam up to the border of Assam, where ultimately all the district collectors, they are on the job, and I'm very sure very soon each district collector will be able jointly with the NHIDCL to finalize the center line of the speed corridor road up to the end point of East Jant Hills, and the progress as I said to you, all the three districts, because in all the four districts, starting from Riboy district, second is East Khas Hills district, West Jant Hills district, and also East Jant Hills district. And the last one, I took a review, the progress of the proposed Tura bypass to Dalu. Again, the 3D notification is being prepared by the respective district collector. One is Tura DC and number 2 is Ampati DC. They are working out about the 3D notification, and very soon this process will be completed, and once that is completed, then they will come out with the 3G notification.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing man toy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f manta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya